Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at the absolute simplest ways to type the degree symbol in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. If you prefer using the top ribbon, place your cursor exactly where you need the symbol to appear. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Equation and then select Insert New Equation. This will bring up the Equation toolbar. Simply look through the symbols gallery, find the degree or Celsius icon, and click it to drop it right into your text. Once you have it in your document, you can just copy and paste it whenever you need it again, completely skipping the menu next time. However, if you want an even faster professional method, without ever touching your mouse, you can use a hidden keyboard shortcut. Simply type the number 00 followed by the letter B and then another 0. Immediately after typing 00B0, press the Alt key and the X key at the exact same time. Word will instantly convert that code into a perfect degree symbol. It really is that easy. You now have two incredibly reliable ways to add the degree symbol to any document. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more quick direct tech tutorials.